And hi everybody, meteorologist Karl Spring here on the Howieblog on this Wednesday. You know, we're heading into middle of April here and the normal high should be about 45 degrees. That's just not going to happen for a few reasons. Before we head to the forecast, I want to show you two things. One, today, please enjoy my weather fish. Aren't they beautiful? We'll see more of those in the forecast. And here's my weather cat, Lester. Hello, Lester. How you doing? He enjoys watching the weather fish. You bet. They're good friends. And also today, if you don't mind, please visit my one and only sponsor, Little Caesars Pizza in West Duluth. My friend Josh Rapp runs the place. Please go by and see Josh and say hello. Tell him you saw this here, and he'll give you something. Okay, now the forecast for today is a mess. Let's go to the maps here first of all. And now look at this. Here's the upper Midwest. We have ice storm warnings in southwest Minnesota, winter storm warnings, winter storm watches, flooding situation down to our south. It is a terrible mess here because we have a very large, it would be like a winter storm, but it's spring, so we're going to call it a springtime storm. And as far as the actual precipitation here, in the light blue area, we're talking about somewhere between 12 and 16 inches of snow across southwest Minnesota to the Twin Cities into central Wisconsin. Showers and thunderstorms and tornadoes possible down here to the south, but up here, snow. And we actually could see 6 or 7 inches of snow in the Twin Ports here as well. So again, a major mess going on. If you're traveling the next couple of days here, if you're heading north, not so bad. If you're heading down to the Twin Cities, forget about it. Some real weather headaches coming up here, along with just some terrible travel conditions of snow and everything. Now, as you look at the weather fish, I'll read you the forecast, okay? There you go, here, just watch them, they're beautiful. All right, for today, mostly cloudy skies, east winds 25 miles an hour, very blustery today with a high of 34. Normal high, of course, is 45, which we won't see for a month. Tonight, cloudy, snow late tonight after midnight, east winds to 35 miles an hour, 26 for a low. Tomorrow, snow here in the Twin Ports, could easily be 6 to 7 inches of snow. Yeah, it's April. Northeast winds gusting to 40 miles an hour tomorrow, 30 for a high, a cold, awful day. Friday, mostly cloudy, light snow, still breezy with a high of 35. Saturday, a decent day, partly sunny and 40. And then Sunday, guess what? More rain, snow in our forecast with a high of 37 degrees. I hope you enjoyed the fish. They're a lot more pretty than the forecast is. So that's your forecast here in the Howieblog. Go to my website, karlspringweather.com, for more information too. Is spring ever coming? Seriously? Because this is, at this point, ridiculous. That's your forecast. I'm meteorologist Karl Spring on the Howieblog. Have a good day today, and we're all getting through this together. Over and out.